Welcome to my channel iTools Hub. In this video I am going to tell you 5 most amazing AI tools that will change your life. AI tools you won't believe that they exist. First AI tool is Lexica.art. Why it is important. Lexica.art is an online platform that caters to art enthusiasts, offering a diverse range of resources and experiences. With curated collections, informative articles, and interactive features, it aims to foster exploration, appreciation, and engagement with various art forms. Serving as a virtual hub, Lexica.art inspires a deeper understanding of art, encourages creativity, and facilitates connections between artists, artworks, and audiences, nurturing a lifelong passion for artistic expression. Second AI tool is Descript. Why it is important. Descript is an innovative online platform that simplifies audio and video editing, revolutionizing the content creation process. Its intuitive tools and collaborative environment make it easy to transcribe, edit, and mix multimedia files. By leveraging advanced technologies like speech recognition and text-based editing, Descript saves time and enhances the editing experience. With a user-friendly interface and innovative features, Descript makes professional quality content creation more accessible and efficient. Third AI tool is Mubert. Why it is important. Mubert is a unique website that uses AI to provide a continuous stream of dynamically generated music. It revolutionizes music experiences by adapting in real time to listeners' preferences and intended mood or activity. With algorithmically composed and never-ending original tracks, Mubert offers a personalized and uninterrupted music experience for leisure, work, or creative projects. Fourth AI tool is uberduck.ai. Why it is important. uberduck.ai is a groundbreaking website that revolutionizes voice and speech technology. It offers advanced AI technology specializing in voice synthesis and speech generation. Its main goal is to provide developers and content creators with powerful tools and APIs to create realistic and high-quality synthetic voices. uberduck.ai enables the generation of natural-sounding speech for applications like voice assistants, audiobooks, and podcasts, enhancing the user experience and driving innovation in speech-driven technologies. Fifth AI tool is Why it is important. NVIDIA Canvas is a powerful creative tool that utilizes artificial intelligence, AI, to revolutionize digital artwork creation. Artists and designers can sketch rough outlines or shapes, and NVIDIA Canvas generates detailed and realistic images based on those inputs. By streamlining the creative process, this innovative technology allows artists to explore new possibilities and bring their ideas to life with speed and precision. NVIDIA Canvas combines the artist's vision with AI capabilities, resulting in visually captivating artwork for concept art, illustrations, and digital paintings. Now you can see how powerful and important are these AI tools, and how they can change the world. All websites link are given below in description. Explore these AI tools and get benefits from them. If you get this video informative and beneficial, leave a like and comment and share this with your families and friend. For more videos like this, must subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.